and today I'm here to share something very exciting with you. We, the TAKE5 collaboration team, is having an open call! Yay! So that means that you can make it to our collaboration team. There are several spots to give away, and we would love it if you would just enter and participate. So I have the form right here, and I'm gonna walk you through it and tell you what is needed. So first of all, if you enter this collaboration group, he must be 18 years and older, of course. And then always take in consideration before you apply that we post our video once a month. So there's one video, one a month. And of course, as the rotation goes, you will also have 1 month where you pick the prompts. And then we are asking for journalers and mixed media artists, as some of you know who have been around for the TAKE5 challenge. Leanne, one of our ladies, loves to mix it up and make postcards or whatever with the TAKE5 challenge. So you don't have to make an art journal page, just make a TAKE5 challenge. So that brings me to what is needed. First of all, you need to have a YouTube channel, of course, because we are a collaboration that is on YouTube, and the main purpose is making videos on YouTube. So you need to have a YouTube channel. Then you also need to have an open Instagram account so we can chat, because our chats are going on Instagram, and so you can share your pages on Instagram and people can find it and see it. So that's mandatory. Then for the applying part, you will need to submit a TAKE5 video. So I would love to see a video, maybe one that is new, or a video that you have posted in the past, which makes you really proud. That's also fine by me. Just add the URL. It has to be live on your YouTube channel so we can all access it and see it. Talking about the YouTube channel, I really don't care about your subscriber count. I need video quality that's like ours, or of course better. Better is always good. But that's the only thing that I'm looking at. It's your video quality. I don't care about your subscriber count. I don't care about your views. I just want someone, we all want someone who's passionate about this project and wants to be a part of this team and wants to commit. So that's very important. That brings me to the last question that you need to answer on this form, and that is, why do you want to be a part of this group? It's very important for me to know why you have submitted to my group, and please be honest. If you're just submitting to get more subscribers, just fill in that. Don't make it prettier than it is. I understand. It's hard, this YouTube land. It's hard. But I would love to have people that are truly passionate about what they do. And I will not only review the video, of course, that you make, but I also will look around on your channel and see what you do. And of course, we will look around on your Instagram account to see if you would be a fit with the team. But I think that is obvious. So those are the mandatory things you need to do to make a chance to get on the TAKE5 art journal team. And I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so I feel a bit scared about all the stuff, and I'm so excited because I don't know, well, maybe people don't want to be on the team. I don't know. So it's pretty scary. So yeah, once you are picked for the team, you will hear all the things and you will hear all about what we are going to do. But I think for everyone it is obvious that we post once a month and that ladies pick the prompts. So I think that was everything that I want to say. Oh yes, you can submit until March 31st, 2019. So after that I will close. That gives you a little bit less than a month, but that is how we work also in the team. It's a little bit less than a month that you get to make your video. So I expect people to make it with this date. So I hope that it will be fine. Of course, the form will be linked down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them down here in the comment section. I will answer them. I will try to be as quick as possible, but I'm getting back into school after being sick, so my priority is with school at the moment, so it might be a little bit late with responding. You can also always ask any of the TAKE5 collaboration ladies some questions they are always linked. I will also link them here down below, who's currently in the team. Then you can ask them some questions or look at their channels and get a feel for what everyone does if you're not sure if you want to apply or get some inspiration. So I think that's that. I'm checking my list if I didn't forget anything. Oh yes, I forgot one thing. I forgot to tell you that if you enter and you don't make it to the team right now, not all hope is lost. I will put you on my list. I will put your contact stuff, you know, on a list. It will just stay with me, so don't worry about privacy. I keep the contacts and I keep the personal details. So when another lady is leaving, I can contact someone of the list. So if that's a problem for you, let me know. But I would like to do it that way. I don't know. I hope it all works out and we will have a great new team. I have 3 spots available. 3. So you have a big chance of making it. And we all hope that you want to be part of our wonderful collaboration team. So the form is linked down below. And feel free to ask anything. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you will enter a submission. Bye!